Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today's video is short and sweet. We will be focusing on the switch knot. I will show you three variations. The first is created using two left-facing square knots. Start by creating a square knot. Next, we will create our second square knot. To create this square knot, the outside pieces of your work will now become the middle pieces, and the middle pieces will now become the outside pieces. This is a great knot to use when you're making plant hangers and can also be used to make wall hangings. It adds a little bit of extra detail to your work. The second variation is created using one left-facing and one right-facing square knot. You can see the difference in the square knots here versus here. The third variation is created using two right-facing square knots. You can see all three variations here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.